Welcome back to Crafty Nanny, the place where you can find original stories with simple crafts designed to engage you and your little one. Remember, there's a new story each week, so share, subscribe, and come back next Tuesday to see what's new. Let's turn the page to find out what's happening today. Today's story is Patch, Hedgy and Scoot, Seagulls, Sunshine, and Sandcastles by Anushka R. Merrill. Patch, Hedgy and Scoots were at the beach visiting their Uncle Boris, who worked as a lifeguard. Boris Bunny was Mom's younger brother. He had left the edge of the woods a few years ago to be a beach bunny. "Watch out for big waves today. The tide's really coming in," he said, as Patch, Hedgy and Scoot walked past his lifeguard tower. The family loved going to visit Uncle Boris. Mom and Dad would usually spend the day lounging in the shade while Patch, Hedgy, and Scoot combed the beach looking for things to do. "Anybody up for some ice cream?" asked Dad. "Yes, please," said Patch and Scoot. "Not me," said Hedgy. "I'm going to stay here and finish my sandcastle." "Okay," said Patch. "Scoot and I will go then." Dad gave them some money and they headed to the ice cream shop. Patch and Scoot always had a difficult time choosing a flavor of ice cream. "What's that one over there?" Patch asked the shop attendant. "That's mango sorbet," she replied. "And this one?" asked Scoot, as he stood on tiptoe to look in the ice cream case. "That one is blueberry bubblegum." Uh, I think I'll just have strawberry, please," said Patch, "with a cherry." "Only chocolate for me, please," said Scoot. They paid for their cones and left the shop. As soon as they stepped outside, a seagull swooped in and grabbed Patch's ice cream. "Hey, you bring that back here," said Patch. Laughed the seagull as he flew away with a mischievous grin. The gull flew towards the shore. Patch and Scoot were right behind him. "Give me back my ice cream!" yelled Patch. The seagull only laughed some more. "Come on!" he cried as the cherry fell off the cone. Patch was not giving up, and poor Scoot tried to keep up with the two. Their chase took them right past Hedgy's building site and straight through her sandcastle. "My castle!" yelled Hedgy. "It's ruined!" "Sorry, Hedgy!" called Patch as he and Scoot blazed past, trying to catch the seagull. Finally, the seagull dropped the ice cream and flew away laughing. Patch picked up his sandy cone. "I can't eat this. It's covered in sand," he said sadly. Scoot offered him some of his soggy cone, and they went to tell their parents what had happened. "Don't worry," said Mom. "I know how to fix it." She scraped all the ice cream off the top of the cone. The ice cream inside the cone was perfectly untouched. "You're the best, Mom," said Patch, and he happily ate his half ice cream. "Besides," said Dad, "we have a better treat in store for you this evening." For the rest of the afternoon, Patch forgot about the seagull, and he, Hedgy and Scoot stood in the wake tossing their new beach ball. In the evening, the family went for a sunset walk to Uncle Boris's lifeguard tower. Then they all walked back to his beach house together. They collected shells along the way to make jewelry and a lovely paperweight when they got home. Uncle Boris was a cool guy, but he didn't have many craft supplies at his house. When they told him they wanted to draw pictures of their adventures, he said, "Sorry, little buddies. All I have are a few pieces of chalk, some broken crayons, and a candle." They looked at him sadly. "I know," he continued. "Maybe I can make you some new crayons." "From this?" asked Hedgy. "I'll show you," he said. Uncle Boris melted the candle wax and added bits of crayons and crushed up chalk to give it color. He then poured the mixture into an ice cube tray to set up. When they were ready, Patch, Hedgy, and Scoot found the new crayons very useful and drew lovely pictures of the day's adventures. "Boris Bunny," Mom said to her little brother, "your creativity always amazes me." After dinner, they went outside to enjoy the special treat Dad had promised. Dad and Uncle Boris had made a bonfire right outside the beach house and set up marshmallows on sticks to be toasted. They loved it. Although Patch, Hedgy, and Scoot would be heading back home soon, they were happy to take wonderful memories of Uncle Boris with them. The end. Got bits of crayons lying around? Melt them down and mold them into new crayons using cookie cutters, ice trays, or silicone molds. The possibilities are endless. Keep crafting, and we'll see you next time.